Hello students, how are you? I hope so you all are fine as I am. Very good morning to all. I welcome you in your online class. I, Manju Dangwal of your maths teacher, explain to you the things about maths. Okay, what is a maths? Maths is a science. How you can imagine it as a science? Can you? Yes, it is. Behind the maths, there is a science. As we are going to find out the speed of the voice, whatever I am speaking, my voice is audible, there is a speed. It's in air. Okay? So, what is it? If we are going for the science, everything is calculated. Okay? Science deals with the human body, with the plants, with the lots of things. Machines are there which is only based on science, and maths is parallelly required with it. So maths is very useful in our everyday life. Clear students? Like fraction. Mama, I want to eat the pizza. Mama, I want to drink cold drink. Okay, I want to eat burger. What is it? Or everything. If you are going to purchase one burger, if the shopkeeper is saying this cost is 75 rupees, what is it? Maths. So you are going to purchase 2 or 3 burger, accordingly you will be calculate. Okay, if you are aware about all these things, so no one can make you fool. Okay, so that everything, and as you know, keep present scenario what is going on. So you have to try to understand, you have to try to search good things, because nowadays you are connected with the mobile phones. As your classes are going on, lots of things are going on. Leave the playing matter. Don't play the games which are wasting your time. Okay? So instead of that, search the new things. Lots of new things are available in the net. For that purpose, if you are using, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's not permitted to the students that they have to use the mobile phone too much. Okay, only for the class purpose, because everyone is not having the proper system. Even though teachers also, we also not having everything which is connected with us. Okay, just you want to talk with your parents, with your friends. How you are talking with them? The mobile phones. Okay, through the mobile phones. Even though some are doing the video checks also. Similarly, we are conducting the Zoom classes, the video classes. Okay, students. Now we are coming on our present topic, that is rational numbers. We have done till now the exercise 3.2 till question number 5. So is there any doubt? Have you revised? So if I'll be do the some recapitulation with the addition, in addition I told you there is a different method to solve. Okay, before this I want to tell you the thought of the day. This is the thought. Education is not the learning of facts. Education is not the learning of facts. You know what is facts? Okay, which is we are assuming that they are true. But the training of the mind to think. This is the training. If you are thinking, then you can do. If you are not thinking, you can't do. Okay? So, whatever you are learning, think about that, why it is written, how we are doing, why this step is doing by this one method. That all are based on thinking. Don't go with the facts. If I am saying 2 2s are 4, this is a fact. How it is 2 2s are 4? Because we are adding 2 plus 2. What is it? 4. If something is fact, at least we should know how to prove it. That is the thing. Okay, students? So, this thought you have to write down. Every thought you have to write down in your notebook, where you are, just suppose you are starting the work with the 7 day. So, first you have to write down the thought also with the black pen. Okay, I want. You can pause the video and then you can note it down. Clear? Now I am coming back on my topic, that is rational numbers. Now I am starting with our topic rational numbers. In the previous video, I have told you addition, subtraction and multiplication of rational number. In addition, there is a different ways. When the denominators are same, when the co-prime numbers, when the common denominators are there, and just wait, I want to tell you, when the rational numbers have the same denominators, when the denominators are multiple of other denominator, when the denominators are co-prime, and when denominators have a common factor. That type of addition of rational number we have done. Similarly, we have done the subtraction. Okay, I hope so that thing is understood by you, because addition and subtraction like the fraction. Only the difference is there that rational numbers are integers. The similar multiplication. Now I am going with the division of rational numbers. You have done the division of fractions also. Just suppose we are having the number. Example I am taking. Through the example I am explaining. Divide 2 by 7 by 1 by 5. That's right, you are dividing both the numbers. Okay, so this is 3 by 5 by your book example. So what we will be doing? 2 by 7, divide sign we have to put, and we will be write down 3 by 5. Okay, now when we are dividing, so fraction division, you have learned one method that 2 by 7 as it is we will write down, and this division sign we are converting into multiplication, and whatever after the division means at extreme right side, its reciprocal you will be writing down 5 by 3. That's right. This is 5 by 3. What it will be? 10 by 21. What is the answer? 10 by 21. Is it clear? This is the answer of this question. 10 by 21. Okay? Clear? Now student, I am going to explain one more example to you. Divide minus 9 by 12 by 15 by 18. So the same method. Left hand side is it as it is we will be write down, and this division sign will be changed into multiplication, and the reciprocal of 15 by 18 is 18 by 15. That's right. Now if we can solve, we can solve. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9. This is minus 9, so minus 3, and 3 5s are 15. That's right. What is it? Minus 3 into 3, this will give you minus 9, and 2 5s are 10. So what's your answer? Minus 9 by 10. Is it clear, students? Now the second concept is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Means if we are having two rational numbers, we want to write down in between the rational numbers. If we are having like 4 by 7, okay, and 3 by 5, and we want to write down in between them the rational number, we can write infinite rational numbers. Okay, there is no limitation. So I am going to explain through the example number 20. Now the second concept is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Means if we are having two rational numbers, we want to write down in between the rational numbers. If we are having like 4 by 7, okay, and 3 by 5, and we want to write down in between them the rational number, we can write infinite rational numbers. Okay, there is no limitation. So I am going to explain through the example number 27. Find two rational number between 4 and 5. Now example number 27. In this example, the question is find two rational numbers. Find two rational numbers. Okay, R and I am writing in short. In between where? In between 4 and 5. In between 4 and 5. That's right. Don't write in short language. Between. Now you will be saying, ma'am, 4 and 5. There will be no number. But beta, I can explain to you 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5. How? So we are writing only two rational numbers. Okay, so can I multiply 10 by 10? What it will be? 40 by 10. Okay, this is a rational number. There is nothing, means 1. And second one, 5 by 1 into 10 by 10. If we are multiplying first number 10 by 10, so second will be also by 10 by 10. This is 50 by 10. Now, in between 40 and 50, there is lots of rational number. We can pick any one. Any two, sorry. 41 by 10, 42 by 10. Or we can write 43 by 10, 47 by 10. Any two rational numbers they are saying. They are not bound and to us with particular numbers. So these two rational number will lie in between 4 and 5. I hope so it's clear to you, students. It will be clear more by doing more examples or the exercise question. I will be explaining other one example also to you. Now 4 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 3 by 5. Okay, so what is the number 1 by 4 and 3 by 5? First of all, we have to take out LCM. LCM of 4 and 5. What is it? This is 20. Because they are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. So 1 by 4 are to make 20. 5 by 5. When we are multiplying it 5 by 5. This is 5 by 20. Now next 3 by 5. By which number I have to multiply? By 4. Okay, what is it? 12 by 20. That's right. I want to make denominator as 20. It's given 1 by 4. So by which number we have to multiply 4? To make it 20 by 5. So if multiplying in denominator, it will be multiplied in numerator also. Same, 5 4s are 20. That's right. How many rational number? 4 rational number. Now we can write 6 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20, 9 by 20. These 4 rational number in between 1 by 4 and 3 by 5. I hope so it's clear to you. Nothing else. You have to find out the LCM, then make the denominators same, and how many numbers you can insert. You have to write down any 4 rational numbers. Now student, I am starting with the exercise 3.2. Okay, question number 6 is find the product of the following. In the previous video we have done the multiplication. Now this is the question of 3.2. A part is minus 14 by 15 multiply 5 by 24. We are finding the product of it. So if it is possible to convert it into lowest term, we can. Minus 14 by 15 into 5 by 24. So we can cancel out 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. That's right. Now minus 2 table, minus 7 2 sevens are 14 and 1 2 12 twos are 24. So what it is, minus 7 into 1 is minus 7 and 12 threes are 36. What is the answer of first part? A part, minus 7 by 36. It's pause the video and note it down. Then its B part is 3 by 7 multiply minus 4 by 9 multiply 1 by 2. That's right. I'm solving from this side. That's right. Now next 3 by 7, as it is, I'm writing whole the digit because from here I'll be start to solve. That's right. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Clear students? 2 ones are 2 and minus 2. So what is remaining here? 2 ones are 2 minus 2 because this 2 is minus or with minus sign, and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. And 7 threes are 21 and 21 ones are 21. So what is the answer? Minus 2 by 21. Hope so it's clear. C part is 19 upon 27 into minus 63 upon 95. Question we will write down as it is, and I am solving it in another step. As I know the table of 19 and the 19 95s are 95. So I told you have to learn the table, so you should learn. 9 3s are 27 and 9 7s are 63. Minus 63, so it is minus 7. 7 into 1 minus 7 upon 3 5s are 15. This is the answer. Clear? Its D part is, this is 17 by 68. Right? Multiply 7 by 28. Multiply 15 by 10. Is it clear? So what is it? We will be write down as it is. 17 by 68 multiply 7 by 28 multiply 15 by 10. That's right. So what we have to do? 17 4s are 68. Learn the tables again and again. I am using the word. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 15. So what is remaining? 10 is off with this digit, okay? 1 into 1, 1 into 3 is 3. What is it? 3. 4 4s are 16 and 16 2s are 30. What is the answer? 3 by 30. It's clear to you, students? This is the multiplication. Question number 6 is completed over here. Now question number 7 is find the quotient. Quotient means you are doing the division. Okay, A part. 9 by 10 divided by 1 by 5. Students, I told you what you will be doing in it. Okay, this sign you will be converting to multiplication and you have to take the right hand side as it reciprocal. So what we will be doing? 9 by 10 multiply 5 by 1. Am I right? That's right, students. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. 9 1s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. That's right, 9 into 1 is 9 1s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. This is the improper fraction. So we can write it into mixed fraction. 2 4s are and 1 by 2. That's right. Its B part is minus 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 14. 4 by 14. That's right. Again, what we will be doing? Minus 6 by 7 and this sign will be converted into multiplication and this will be 14 by 4. Reciprocal of 4 by 14 is 14 by 4. 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are minus 3. What is it? 3 2s are 6, minus is there, minus 6 upon 2. What we can write? Okay, we can cancel out there. If we are not cancelling out there, no problem. This will be minus 3. 2 3s are 6, minus 3. That's right. I am going to erase the board. Now student, we are doing its C part. This is given in mixed fraction. First of all, we will be converted into improper fraction. 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 1, 23. This will be minus 23 by 2. And this sign is converted into multiplication. This is written only 23, means 23 by 1. Its reciprocal is 1 by 23. That's right. 23 1s are 23 minus 1 by 2. What will be the answer? Minus 1 by 2. That's right. D part is minus 18 by 20 divided by 75 by 15. Here, this is the equation. Minus 18 by 20 divided by 75 by 15. So same, minus 18 by 20 we will be write down as it is. This symbol, division symbol is converted into multiplication and after that, whatever that is, it means extreme right side. I will write its reciprocal. 75 by 15 reciprocal will be 15 by 75. That's right. 15 1s are 15 and 15 5s are 75. That's right. Now what we will be doing? We can solve it. 2 9s are minus 9, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So what is remaining? Minus 9 into 1. That will gives you minus 9. 10 into 5. 2 5s are 50. I hope so. This question number 7 is clear to you. Now student, question number 8 is find two rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 4 by 3. We are having both the fraction number, means rational number also, because that is written in the form of P upon Q. Okay, so what we have to do? Find out the LCM. LCM of 2 and 6 is 2 and 3, sorry, not 2 and 6. Denominator is 2 and 3. What is its LCM is 6. That's right. Now we will make the denominator 6. 1 by 2. By which number we have to multiply to make the denominator 6? Yes, recite the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. So by which number? 3. In numerator also. That's right. If we will be solved, we will be get 1 by 2. Similarly, 4 by 3. By which number we have to multiply to make the denominator as a 6? 3 twos are 6. Good. 4 twos are 8. Now we are having the number 3 by 6 and 8 by 6. In between that, we will be write down how many? 2 rational numbers. So what is it? 4 by 6, 5 by 6. Where these 2 rational numbers will lie in between 1 by 2 and 4 by 3. Hence, the numbers lies in between 1 by 2 and 4 by 3 is 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Is it clear, students? I hope so. The question of exercise 3.2 is clear to you. Now the exercise is finished. Students, open your book practice section, page number 17. At the last of the book, the practice section, after the finishing of the chapter, there is a practice section you have seen, I thought. Okay, it's page number 17. In it given MCQ, multiple choice questions of chapter 3. I am discussing with you that questions. Okay, question number 1. What is the product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse? If a rational number is 3 by 2, its multiplicative inverse is 2 by 3. When we will be solved, what will we get? 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 3. What is it? 1. So, the product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. Second question, how many rational numbers are there between two rational numbers? When I explained this concept, I told you infinite we can write, so infinite. There is no limitation in between two rational numbers. How many rational numbers we can write? Okay. Third question, the sum of a rational number and its additive inverse. If number is written 2 by 3 and its sum with its additive inverse minus 2 by 3, what it will be? This is positive, this is negative. So answer will be 0. What it will be? 0. Okay. The standard form of minus 8 by 28. Standard form minus 8 by 28. What you will be do? You will be cancel out. You can divide it by 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 2, or 4 7s are 28. But it will be minus 2 by 7. That's right. Fifth question. MCQ I am discussing. So you have to do it in the notebook, that question. And next, fifth question is, if minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 20 by x, so what will be the value of x? What is x? Okay, so the easier method, we can do lots of method, but easier method, minus 5 by 8 upon 4. We are having minus 20. But which number we have to multiply minus 4 to get minus 20? That it will be by 4. If we are multiplying in numerator by 4, so in denominator also we will multiply by 4. So minus 20 and 8 4s are 32. What is the value of x? 32. One method is this, another method is by cross multiplication. What you will be do? Minus 5x is equal to minus 20 into 8 is minus 160. Minus will be cancelled out by minus. X is equals to 160 by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. x is equals to 30. You are free to do by any method which you are feeling comfortable. By that method you can do. Next, the reciprocal of minus 1 by 10 is minus 10. Reciprocal exactly opposite. For what value of x minus 90 by x not be a rational number? कब नहीं होता कोई number rational number? When the denominator is equal to 0, because there is a condition when a number is expressed in the form of p upon q where q is not equal to 0, or they are asking कि not be a rational number. So minus 19 by 0 is there, so it's not a rational number. Okay, which of the following are equivalent rational number? Beta, you can check by the cross multiplication. Numerator a upon b is and c upon a upon b and c upon d. When we are multiplying a by d and c by b, if their product is equal, then it is a equivalent rational number. If not, so it is not. So I am checking 8th question. A part I am taking. Which of the following are equivalent? Minus 3 by 15. And second one is minus 6 by 30. I am multiplying it with 8 and this one. Minus 3 into 30 minus 90. And 15 6 are 90. This is also 90. Both are equal, so that this is an equivalent rational number. That's right. Okay. Question number 9. The reciprocal of which reciprocal? Minus 4 by 7 into 1 by 3. What its reciprocal will be? First of all, we will be find out its product. This is minus 4 by 21. Reciprocal is? Yeah, speak out. Reciprocal is? Reciprocal is? Yes, minus 21 by 4. Good. Minus 21 by 4. Which of the following is the result of 10th? This is the last one question. Beta, you will be do this whole the MCQ exercise in the notebook. Okay? And it should be signed by your father. Every day's date you have to write down and mention as a homework. Minus 9 by 11 divided by 1 by 3 divided by minus 9 by 11. That's right. Now all are in division. So what we will be doing? Minus 9 by 11 multiply 3 by 1 multiply 11 by minus 11 by 9. That's right. Or we can do instead of this one also. There is no problem because this is minus 9, this is minus 1. 11 will be cancelled out by 11. What is remaining? 3 ones are 3 and upon 1 means 3. Okay, this is the solution of this. So you will be do all the question, MCQ question in the notebook. Write remember box, it is given on main side book, page number 30. You have to write down something, you have to highlight. Like remember box, whenever you are writing, make a box inside it with the black pen you can write. Okay students, and each and everything should be done by you date wise. If we have done this in the class, so mention as a classwork, and whatever I have given homework, mention it with date as a homework, and it should be signed by your father positively. So I hope so you have to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day students.